So next up is what I call windmills. It's a shoulder movement similar to the big arm crosses, but in a different orientation. So same kind of standing posture, little knee bend, glutes pushed forwards, abs nice and engaged. You're going to start with your arms nice and extended, one arm in front, one arm behind you, and then you're going to swap. Now again, watch out for things above and behind you because you need a lot of space for this. So you're just cycling your arms, watching out for things back and forth. Now I'm going to rotate sideways so you can see a different view of this. You're here and really reaching your arms out to the side. You want to make sure that they're timed so that you're finishing both arms parallel to the ground at the same time. And then switch directions. You want to make sure you're keeping your arms nice and narrow while you're doing this, so you don't go out to the sides. You're keeping yourself nice and contained, like you're in a small corridor, right? Okay, have fun with it.